Salam. Today we're going to be making a potato chickpea side dish, Aloo Chana. We love to eat chane or chickpeas. There are a ton of variations with what you can do with chane, but let's start with a pretty simple one here. You're going to need 2 potatoes, 4 to 6 cups of water for boiling, 2 cans of chickpeas drained, 1 red onion diced, 1 roma tomato diced, 4 to 6 Thai chilies sliced, half a bunch of cilantro chopped, 4 whole red peppers, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, salt, and pepper. First, in a pot, add the potato and enough water to cover it on high. Boil for 25 to 30 minutes, take out, then once it's cooled, peel, then dice. Heat up a pan on medium, then add the cumin seeds and whole red peppers. Toast them for 2 to 3 minutes, then set aside. In a bowl, add the potatoes, chickpeas, red onion, tomato, pepper, whole red peppers, cumin seeds, cilantro, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and mix. Alright, Bismillah. For some reason, Desis don't really make salads. This is more of a side dish, but I think it's salady enough. It's got all the vegetables you need except for all the leafy greens, and I think that's better. You want to eat chickpeas of all things?